That was bad. No, stop. No! Hi!
Hi!
Welcome.
Hi!
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
We are,
Rowan and Nate.
Rowan and Nate and Rowan.
Yeah.
And today we're here and we're gonna do something real exciting. What are we doing, Nate?
Have you ever wanted to build something or cook something and you didn't have an oven?
No.
Well, you won't have that problem anymore because today we're building an oven. We're building an oven.
Whoa!
We're building an oven.
Whoa!
Yeah, so
I didn't know this was gonna happen.
Yeah, look, we got like coloring utensils and
We've got decoration
where's the glitter? I have
utensils.
glitter. Oh, hey, I've lost the glitter.
Oh, don't worry about
Where's
the glitter.
I want the
Leave
glitter.
this out. Leave this out.
Where's the
I don't want to
glitter?
mess with the glitter. I
want the glitter. Did we bring it in?
We definitely brought it in.
Okay.
So we've got a halogen.
This is America. Sorry, I found a flag.
You're supposed to do that when we opened.
I found the glitter.
You know, they tell you when you're a little baby child, they tell you that you gotta be careful with your scissors. But you know what? I think that's
Preposterous. Maybe that's why.
maybe what's why. Whoa! Just hit me.
Teamwork.
Ah! Ah! Ah!
This isn't working.
Ah!
I'm so sorry. Watch it. You're cutting the box. All right, I'm gonna do this.
Okay.
We want it just big enough for the
Steady hands make light work of idle playthings.
I think I cut myself.
You've had it for seconds at most. What you are now is all that you will ever be. And to
can't
be
change.
more.
Man, I was hoping I was gonna change later on.
Okay.
This is how we're gonna test it. Just put it
So yeah, you see that halogen
right there.
right there?
Draw a circle if you can.
Okay. You hold that, and I'll Okay. Bop. Okay. You gotta. I got it. You Okay. And there you go.
Is that? Oh, don't want to drop that much. Expensive. Oh, that's an interesting circle. So I guess anywhere inside this
Yeah.
would be fine.
Yeah. Let me tell you a personal story about my life.
What about the story you were just telling?
Doesn't matter anymore.
Okay.
Nothing matters, and that's the moral of today. Nothing matters.
That's what we want to tell the
when
viewers
when I was a young gentleman living in the Florida Keys, I found myself stumbling in general, just like.
Was it a shoe issue, or was it just legs?
Well, it was more just psyche and like just general peace of mind. So, that's how you should do that.
Yeah, it is.
So,
I mean, it's funny you say that because that brings us to today's sponsor, which is Easy Bake Oven. They sponsored us and asked us to use one of their.
They made us.
They wanted us to use one of their ovens, but we respectfully said that they were crap and we weren't going to use one. We make one just as good.
But
on
they're
our
still
own.
paying us big bank.
Yeah.
And that's the real moral of the story today. Is that no matter where you get in life, you're still gonna die.
That is true.
Nothing is permanent. Except Easy Bake. So this is our oven.
This is it.
This is the oven.
It's not pretty, but it'll work.
Whoa. So what side? We'll put it on this side here,
Okay.
and you can. We will.
So this is the side that will be.
This is the okay.
It will work. There it is.
And now this is America certified.
Made in America. I don't like the idea of the glitter now that we've got here. Let's put it away.
I'm a proud American. This makes me bring a shed of tears in my eye.
The cap didn't work, so we're just gonna be really careful. Oh, never mind. It came out a lot. We're just gonna use this as our main
let's put
dip.
some. So now we've got our wonderful, lovely oven that we have here.
So now we need to.
So now it's time, and we're gonna make some easy bake ultimate chocolate chip cookies. They're cookies.
This is refill mix. I don't
No,
know what that means.
It's the real deal.
I mean, we're
Okay.
adults.
So we're gonna. Jesus. Preheat
See,
easy bake
bowl.
ultimate
Oh,
oven for 20
crap.
minutes. Spray baking pan with cooking spray.
This
And
is
you know,
this gonna
that's
be our
like-
tray, or could
that's
we
like,
could just use this? You want to use these? These will work perfect because they're part of the box. Because then you don't even have to go out and buy plates.
Then you don't
because
even have to go out and
Right.
buy plates.
put these back
Oh
here.
Jesus.
This is gonna be an interesting.
Preheat,
We're just
preheat
gonna
the
have
oven to about 7,000 degrees Celsius.
Man, you told him. Oh, there it is.
There it is.
And then you can see.
Now we can see it preheating, and I don't want to set this room on fire, but I think it'll be okay. So while we wait, I don't want that to catch fuego.
Put it like in Amanda.
That's good.
1 teaspoon. Okay, so we need a teaspoon of water. Stir it and press the mixture together to form the dough. So this is interesting.
I think this is
Do you
good.
think we could borrow a spoon?
I think this is just what we need.
If we wash the spoon, could we borrow it? We promise to wash it. I promise. I promise to wash the spoon.
okay.
This reminds me of like my grandmother.
How so?
I don't know. She's just. I don't know. I don't know. She had a cookie addiction, I think. We didn't wash our hands.
That's okay.
This episode of Nate and Rowan is sponsored by Dawn. Dawn. It gets the job done.
He gets the job done.
Rowan,
Yep.
did you know that Dawn is #1 with animal abused animals? It's #1 to be used for that.
In cases of animal abuse, or like to help those who
It could use for both. If you pour it in the eyes of your enemies, it burns.
are your enemies animals?
Some are.
I think we've got too much water. Is the
Did
problem.
we? I'm sorry, I tried to eyeball it. Oh!
This is
That's-
why.
That's unfortunate. I mean, does it...
Yeah, how's it taste?
It's not bad.
Honestly. So we've got our baking pan here.
Is that our baking pan?
This is our baking pan.
Alright, not...
We're gonna get 12 of those.
No, I think we can just make 3 gigantic ones.
Let's gigantic.
Gigantic, yes. Just one line of cookie? Oh wait, you know what? This is what the spoon's for. When we rented out this room, did they know we were going to cook in it? I guess it was implied with the box.
It's leaking down the bottom.
Is it good? I mean, this does not look... This looks like something that came out of my dog's mouth the other day. Right, Rowan, you want to try
I would love to.
a big scoop of this?
Yeah.
I mean, it's not that big. Get that big lump right there. Get that lump. I want that lump in your mouth. Now. Yeah.
Get a shot of that lump. Get some of that lump
Oh,
in there.
wait. That's a bubble.
Of course, it's a bubble.
I thought it was a
You
lump.
think it was a lump?
Yes, I thought it was a
Indeterminate
lump.
lump in this broth? Oh, Jesus.
Is it good?
I don't know.
I didn't get about...
You had a...
I got, like, the
What
juice.
is this supposed to... Is this supposed to taste like chocolate?
I think so. That's nice. Oh, that's an interesting flavor. goes down the throat and like stops halfway and makes a home. And it burns when he makes a home. I guess we
We've
could
got
get that
everything
little
else ready.
segment with the time watch going wee. I don't know if this will work, but we're gonna try. Oh, that's unfortunate. Ah, okay.
Our easy bake isn't quite cutting it. So, I don't know if cardboard catches fire if you put it in the microwave. But I guess we'll find out.
I'm a warrior.
You put paper in the microwave when you do, like, instant, you know,
No, I don't.
popcorn.
Oh, yeah.
Paper
Fair
in the
enough.
microwave, so cardboard, like, is more durable than paper.
Teachers are walking by and staring at me. Probably because of the warrior and the goatee. But
reason for it is because I think the news wants to run what's happening with the dedication. So you might want to be able to catch a couple clips if you can.
I'm gonna scared this is just gonna...
I'm glad to know that an American flag is made in the United States, not China or some dumb, stupid thing like that.
So, I've learned today that putting cardboard in the microwave is okay.
But easy bake, not so much.
That's good.
Hey Nate. Hi.
So, cookies are done.
Oh, are they? Did it look good? Oh.
So this once we're done with it.
Can I get a clip? That was bad. No. Okay. You can. No. There.
So now we're gonna put some of our frosting that we made on these delicious cookies that we've prepared. And you know, like the real...
Move.
no. Ah. I'm so...
Oh no!
This
no.
was...
Man.
How's that going?
I mean, it worked. I think. Oh, their sponge is gonna be stained. I think.
So, I think it's about that time
To try the cookies?
to try these cookies.
You know what I think we need to do? No, you know what I think we need to do?
Mhm.
I think we need to get Petey in here to try the first cookie. Come here, Petey.
Come here, Petey.
Come on, Petey.
We made
Come
these
here.
for you.
Come here, Petey.
Is this because I made you do this video to begin with?
This is Peter Booyah. He's a YouTube gamer.
Is that my only title now? It's the only compliment. Okay.
So, get some of that. Get the
Oh,
whole...
that's weirdly warm.
It
Oh,
was-
wow.
This is in the microwave.
Yeah, well, no, we cooked
It was in
all
our. It
with
was.
our
We cooked it in
oven.
our delicious easy bake oven. How's that?
I've had worse, actually.
Mmm.
Nope, the aftertaste is pretty synthesized.
What did we learn today, Nate?
Well, I think it's safe to say that you can't make your own oven at home, which kind of beats the purpose of this whole episode.
Well,
What
let
cookies
this
aren't
be
bad?
a. Let this be a fable of sorts to you.
What's the fable?
A fable, a folly,
No, I said what's the
a
fable?
cautionary tale.
What is it?
If you want to raise an ox, you must first bury the cattle. Thank you for watching.
Wait, hold on, please.
Well, what will next episode be, guys?
Our next episode, we will be showing you how to build your own garden in your own home.
In a bucket.
In a bucket. A garden in a bucket. We're gonna make marigolds. We're gonna plant marigolds. We're gonna plant sunflowers, and they will all grow to full size. So that's what you got to look forward to in the future. Thank you for watching. Good night, and God bless.
Bye.